Alright, Penpot 2.8 just dropped and it's a good one. This update is not just a sprinkle of polish, got proper performance upgrades, smart design tokens handling, and some tweaks that make feel your workflow smoother. Let's break it down. First off, quality of life stuff. You can finally deselect layers with Ctrl+Shift+Drag, so no more faffing about clicking outside the frame or hunting in the layer panel. Also got your system in dark mode or light mode. Doesn't matter because Penpot now sync the theme with your system, so one less toggle to worry about. Wanna grab an SVG from your canvas? Right click, copy as SVG, and done, that's it. Perfect for whipping up quick assets or exporting a logo without going throughout a download flow. Font. We've updated our catalog and add stuff like Atkinson Hyperlegible, which was literally designed for better legibility, especially for low vision users. And performance, if you are working with SVG, things are gonna feel smoother, less lag and more flow. Alright, token lovers, this one is for you. You can now import multiple token files. That means if you've got a setup with separate JSON files, like themes, modes, metadata, no need to smash it all into one, just drop in your whole structure. Export works the same way. You can choose a single file or multiple files, depending on how your team set up. Even better, you get a preview before you commit, so no more guessing which format you are shipping. So yeah, Penpot 2.8 is out. We are improving the foundation, we are building for teams, and we are not slowing down. We are also working on 3 big foundational projects, brand new render engines, all about performance. We are talking super smooth feeling on complex files, faster everything, less lag and more go. Variants for components, so yeah, it's happening, no more component workarounds. You'll finally be able to group all those states, sizes and styles into clean, flexible variants. And third, we are still going hard on design tokens. This is becoming one of Penpot's biggest strengths, hands down. So if you've been using Penpot, let me know in the comments below, and smash the like button, subscribe, and do all the things the algorithm likes. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.